Bururi kugerera kiganda kieru kia iria gia KCC niuhariirie gwaka kiganda gia guthondeka iria mwena wa Narok kia muigana wa cirirngi mirioni 750 niguo kuongerera maciaro ma iria hamwe na thugri kuri arimi. Minista wa thothaitĩ ya biacara nini niwe Simon Chadugui niwe wanĩrĩirie ndeto ĩno mũcemanio-inĩ wa arĩmi mũkawa-inĩ wa Narok, akiuga muoroto mũnene wa mũbango ũyũ nĩ kũhukia tũrĩa nĩme arĩa mahinyagĩrĩria arĩmi makĩria arĩmi a iria.
This second phase has 3 new plants. The first will be Narok, Mogotio and Kabianga. We are also going to upgrade Runyenje's milk cooling plant to a complete processing plant. We are also going to put up instant dairy plant in Eldoret to take care of our export market. And we are also going to expand and modernize new KCC Meritini in Mombasa. Our Dandora plant is also up for upgrade, and we believe when all this is said and done, we will be able to process as a country at least 4.5 billion liters per year. This means, we'll be able to process through all our processing plants, KCC included, 4.5 million liters per day. As we speak today, we are processing 1.5 million liters per day. Our national production of milk today is 5.2 billion liters per year. Our target as Kenya Kwanza is to grow this production to 10.2 billion liters per year. So our local consumption is 1.5 million liters per day, and by increasing and processing more milk allows us to now venture into export market.
Only place in the entire Republic of Kenya that we are selling a liter 30 shilling, and that has been a problem because now water is more expensive than milk. The 500 ml is sold at 50 shilling, so 1 liter of water is 100 liters, 100 shilling, meaning therefore we are selling the water is expensive than milk, and we all know it is logic that you work a lot for your cows and everything else.